Hi, I'm ExtraElysium and you're watching ExtraElysium, the channel where we talk about gaming, science, facts and other fun things. Now, the other day someone asked me a question. Are oranges oranges because they are orange? Or is orange orange because oranges are orange? And then I was confused because that takes a bit of thinking about. So translating into a sentence which makes slightly more sense, is the fruit orange named after the colour orange, or is the colour named after the fruit? And that's an interesting question, and certainly one that's easy to think about without tying your brain in knots. So I went and did some digging. Turns out the name for the fruit orange derives from the Persian name narang, through the Arabic naranj, into the French orange, into the English orange. And incidentally, I can pretty much guarantee I'm not pronouncing this right. I am not a linguist. And naming the colour after the fruit is to be expected, though. We tend to name concepts or sensations after objects. For instance, we talk about the smell of rotten eggs rather than hydrogen sulfide. Because, well, I cannot point to the colour orange as a concept, but I can point to an orange. We use objects as proxies in this manner. This would be why the words for orange, the fruit, and orange, the colour, are the same in many languages. Interestingly, in English, until we used orange to refer to orange, in Middle English we actually used yellow-red, literally yellow-red. And in Old English we used gelb-reed, probably from the German gelb-rot, literally yellow-red. In English we're not particularly inventive. This leads to an interesting question though. Why did we assimilate a citrus fruit, which must have been fairly late to Europe, as our go-to for the colour rather than something else? Well, what else is orange? Well, not much. Apart from carrots. They're orange, and well, as a root vegetable you'd assume they'd be more suited to European weather than the citrus fruit orange. Sweet oranges were introduced to Europe in the late 15th century, although to a limited extent bitter oranges had been around since the 11th. Carrots, on the other hand, had been around in Spain since the 12th century, and so predated orange, so you'd think we'd use carrot to refer to orange. However, until the 16th century, carrots weren't in fact orange. It was only in the 16th century that we bred orange carrots. Until that point they had been purple, white, red, or yellow. And by the time these became orange, the orange had already been around, bright and orange coloured. And that is why oranges are orange, and not carrot. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, it really does help. And if you want to hear more random factoid, science or gaming stuff, please subscribe. If you want to see me review and play games, go subscribe to my other channel, ExtraElysium. And if you want to keep up with all the latest from me, go follow me on Facebook or Twitter. Stay shiny, everybody.